So with the countertops going in today, there was a question that we had during the design process, and that is, how do we avoid having any unnecessary seams? So one way that we did that here, if we take a look, with such a tight, large piece that's between one cabinet panel here and one cabinet panel there, typically we would have to make a seam right across the middle of the cooktop. But we were able to avoid that by disassembling partially the cabinetry, getting the whole crew in here, putting the piece in, and then reassembling it back together, and that way we get a full, clean piece.